musician, I was also a hockey player. That was like my thing in life. And I was like, I'm gonna give up hockey and be a musician now. And then like 7 years later, I was like, okay, I need to refine myself. I need to join back into hockey. So last Christmas, I joined into hockey, and Lila was like, so I went to this like skating, you know, just like you shoot at no net, and you're just like, do skate around and stuff. She's like, oh, what team do you play for? I'm like, I don't know, no team. She's like, oh, you want to play on our team? We need some people on our team. Join our team, join our team. She wasn't that excited, but she was excited. She was. And then I joined their team, and this team has been like seriously changed my life. And then they're like, oh, you teach music? You teach music? We want to join music. We want to learn music. So then they all come to my house once a week, and they're learning guitar. They're all total beginners, pretty much. And they're very competitive, so none of them wants to be the worst. So they actually And we also have a lot of barbecues. We have a lot of fun. So you guys rock. Super excited. Please welcome the Benchwarmers band.